Alright, so here's this one Fujitsu right here. This is a 15,000 BTUs, so this one is smaller capacity than that one right there. I cannot find the manufacturer date. This is a straight cool unit. Looks like it might be from 2014, because it says 1460. I think that might be from 2014. So here's this other one from 2013, I think, because it says 1307, and this one's a 2-ton. Okay. And this one is running right now. Has a really nice sound to it. Sounds pretty nice. Okay. So this one is a 2-ton. It's from 2005. It says 0509 in the serial number. This one appears to have a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Well, all of them have it. They don't have the Copeland scrolls because they're older. So let's go ahead and see what year this one is. 2016 2-ton. This one I got the data off earlier, and it's a 2005. Yeah, this one's from 2005. It's a 2-ton. This one is from 2019, and it's a 2-ton. I didn't think this one's from 2019. Honestly, didn't think that. Sorry, I can't really get to that. Looks like a 2-ton from, also from 2005. 2-ton 2016. Okay. Just wanted to catch the data off of these units. So that's what I did. And you can see the heat pump, or the air conditioners up there. Those are straight cool units. Those are the 3 carriers, the 2 Goodmans and the Gibson. It's the same row as that Goodman I got running whenever it was 30 degrees out. And the suction line was completely frozen. So yeah, there's this unit running. I caught it defrosting twice already in one day, which is pretty fantastic. And see how the water runoff down there. Let's see how much it's been defrosting. Yeah, which it's been defrosting like a lot. I wouldn't be surprised if it went into defrost right now. But then again, I don't think it is going to. I mean, if I hear it going to defrost, then I'll run back over here and I guess catch another one. The heat pumps up there, those 6 are not the heat pumps, but they're on that side. Those are the ones that I caught. I mean, 2 of them I caught defrosting in one video. I caught them defrosting at the same time. Yeah, those are the units I was talking about. I can't zoom in with my gloves, unfortunately. Yeah, it's slippery. I don't think I'm gonna get up there. I'll try to at least. Alright. could still hear that heat pump. Yeah, those are the 6 I'm talking about. I guess I'll walk by them. Right, there they are. I hear a heat pump running. And the Bryant. Kind of knew it was the Bryant. Seems like the carrier's been running, considering how much frost there is on there. Yep. Bryant is running. I guess I'll go look at that carrier comfort. And the reason why I haven't filmed that carrier comfort is because I only seen it run like probably twice or 3 times. I think it's 3 times I've seen it run. And it doesn't run that much at all. So that's why I haven't really been filming it that much. So that pain was a heat pump, that would be amazing, because I would it would probably be running all the time like it does in cooling mode. The pain in cooling mode, it runs almost 24/7. I had to work hard to get that thing to start up because that thing never shuts off. Especially when it's like 90 degrees outside. That thing, it just keeps on running. So, yeah, there's the heat pump. Obviously it's not running. But, you know what? It might have been running, actually. Might. Maybe. If I hear it starting up, which I can hear it starting up from down where the Bryant heat pumps are, where the Bryant Goodman Highland Carrier heat pumps are. Yeah, if I hear it starting up, then I'll come back up here and hopefully catch a defrost, because that is the only heat pump out of these 6 that I have never got a defrost from. And right before I pulled my camera out, right before I started recording, that 2016 Rude heat pump had to turn on at that time. I could not wait a few seconds longer, which that's kind of unfortunate, but I'll catch it starting up later on. Yeah, I think the Bryant shut off. Yeah, it did. It's hissing, kind of. Yeah. So, that's gonna be about it.